Hello, this is Panda of Panda Trading Strategies, and I am back, and I welcome myself to YouTube again after a few years. The last time I was really active on these videos was 3 years ago in 2010 when I came out with the Panda Heat, which was a scalping system specifically designed for the E-mini S&P 500. Okay, so I've been working for the past few years on a new system, and this system is the best. Okay, I didn't want to come out and talk about anything else unless it was really worthwhile, unless it could be better and better as my systems have been. So this new system, which I'm going to talk about, is the greatest trading strategy that I have seen. Okay, I may be partial because I developed it, but nevertheless, it's very profitable. It is the most progressive, the most profitable, and the most safe system that I have. It's just amazing. Um, just an update on my website here. Um, you can follow me on Facebook. I just created a Facebook page this past week, as well as Twitter, and of course I'll be doing some more YouTube videos on this trading system. So, what is this system about? Well, this is about mastering the markets. Okay, this is going to be the best trader for all the instruments. Okay, specifically the main ones, the most popular ones. This is working well on. And of course, this is only usable with a NinjaTrader, um, and I do expect to release it around the 4th of July, which is another week or so. Um, I'm still waiting to finalize some indicators. I'm going to have an alert and visual setting on there, so it'll be harder to miss trades because you can actually hear it when a trade is going off. So that's pretty much it. Let's go into what this new system is. And this new system is the Platinum Trader. It's platinum because it's the best, it's the highest, and it's the pinnacle of my trading knowledge and experience and success. The Panda Platinum is turning around your style of day trading. Okay, if you're an experienced trader, and if you're not profitable, then you're gonna have to turn your trading around. If you're a new trader, the Panda Platinum will, in all honesty, it's gonna spoil you. It might be even too good for you because you're not gonna really appreciate what time it takes away from your normal learning curve. Okay, it's going to provide like a shortcut for trading profitably. It's gonna put together experience and knowledge into a system that in all honesty, this is going to be very lucky if you're just starting out in trading and you're looking for a system to be your ticket to profit. Okay, if not, then you're a trader looking for a way to be actually profitable. And in this system, what I developed was, over the past few years, I've been looking for a way to discover what it is that makes 95% of traders fail. That what makes the majority of retail traders, that's us at home trading from computers, trying to make a living. Most of these people fail, and they they wipe out their accounts. Okay, so I've been working on trying to see how I could create the opposite of that, and I believe I have, where it's actually hard to lose trades. Okay, it is amazing, and I'm going to show you the proof of that in this past month of trading. I'm going to show you my live statements. I'm gonna just let you see for yourself. I'm gonna also let you see that you don't need a lot of money to do this profitably. You don't need tens of thousands in your account, but you can do it with a relatively small account. And I'm gonna show you. How I doubled that account this past month. Okay. The Platinum Trader is different from my other systems because my other systems were geared towards scalping. Okay, and at this stage, I'm not a proponent of scalping. So that's why I'm going to slash the prices on all my systems by 50% at least. Okay, because I would rather have people trade this method in this Platinum Trader system because it's that much more safe and profitable. So you get the best of both worlds. With scalping, it's very difficult to be profitable, not necessarily in the system itself, but you're going to tend to overtrade. And in overtrading, it's a psychological thing because in scalping you're going for smaller targets, you're going for smaller gains. So you always think that you can take 5 ticks out of the market. So this type of trading is really best suited for the robots that they don't have emotion. Okay, but for actual people, it's very difficult to overcome this trading psychology. So the Platinum Trader actually includes a way and a method which is contained in the strategy in the system to not only see the market in more of a realistic sense, but it lets you to see what's going on, and it kind of teaches you how the market works. But with scalping, it's very difficult to do that because you're just looking at smaller areas of the market. So this Platinum Trader is the way to go. Okay, we'll go into the trading statements here and let you see for yourself. Platinum Trader is really what you're going to want to strive for. It's been 3 years since I had my last system, and I believe this is the one, and it's going to be around for a while. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you my actual account statements here from the beginning of June. Okay, this is trading on my AMP account. Okay, ending in 9/6. I blurred out the beginning portion of the account. Okay, so this basically here has the account balance after the first day here, and so these are the net prices after commission and everything. Okay, so I started this system at the end of or near the end of May. Okay, you can see here my starting balance here is 1700. Okay, so we'll just go day by day, and we'll see how the system works. Okay, so the first day here, I had a great runner, which was 690. So this was a fabulous trade that I was able to hang on to. Okay, and as you know, the system will rely on runners, and you're not going to get those a lot, but if you can get those a few times a month, then that's great. If you get them once a month, then that's fine too. But anyway, we'll see how this continues. Okay, there was one day I didn't trade there, and so the statement starts out on the day here. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next statement, which was on the 4th here, which is the following day. So you can, each slide I'm gonna go through. These are screen captures, so you can just see for yourself here. All right. I'll just go to the next one. All right. I'll go to the next. Okay. So pretty consistent. Okay, this day was pretty much a break-even day. And here, now this is the following week. Okay, back to normal stuff. This day here was also pretty much a break-even day. Let's go to the next day. Okay, here on this day before I didn't trade. Like I said, on this month I didn't trade so much because I have a lot of things going on, so I didn't trade every day. Let's go. The 18th was the next day I traded because I was traveling. I just came back to the States on the 17th, so there was these 2 days where I didn't trade here. So when I got back, I was on the next day I was trading on the 18th. So yeah, there you go. Let's see. Yeah, I think this was Friday and Monday here. Those are the days I didn't trade. Alright, the next day. Okay, back to normal stuff. Go the next day. Here, this was a losing day, actually here. So this was here minus 67 bucks. All right, let's go to the next day. Okay, this was a more active day here. This was the ending balance. All right, let's go to the next day. Back to normal stuff. And this is all trading one contract. Okay, let's go to next. Okay, this day was pretty much a break-even day. Let's go to the next. Okay, back to normal. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, this was yesterday here. Let's go to the next day. I'll say this is actually, this would be today because today's the 28th. I haven't got the statement yet, so I'm gonna just have to show you just from my account, Ninja Trader. Okay, so that's right here. This is my current balance here. This was what I made today, Friday. The account has been doubled, and I did miss a lot of trades that were good winners. Okay, so when I do get my indicators, I'll have more of the ability to watch all the markets I do. Once I have these alerts on the charts, then it'll be very easy for me not to miss trades. Okay, well that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show my statement. Don't have anything to hide here. This is just simple. The trading is not difficult. It's easy, and it's real. Okay. What else do I have to say? Is let's see. Do I have anything else to say? Oh yeah. Okay. I was only trading one contract. Okay. This is only one contract. So this next month I'm going to start to trade two contracts, not on all the instruments, but especially like the YM, the NQ, and yeah, those two I'm going to trade two contracts just because they have a lesser value per tick. So this will be easy to start to step up in the next contracts. Okay. So yeah, uh, that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna be continuing to look forward to trading this method. The great thing about the Panda Platinum is that it's a fun system to trade. And look for more information about this system in the next